So how do we hate the hate speeches?
We have to condemn it. That's what exactly has been said by the Supreme Court very recently. And the direction was given to the executive, police, to take action against them, file cases, investigate the matter, and prevent such recurrence of the hate speeches in the country.
So what's the message for the media channels? Like,
Media channels must telecast after ascertaining the truth, what is going on in the society, not to target one particular religion, which is not correct. It must be investigative journalism. Truth must come out. Who is responsible for the hate speeches, putting fire for the communal writings, and they must also understand and realize that in this country, the Democratic Republic India is a Democratic Republic India. Democratic Republic India is governed by the written constitution, which is a vibrant constitution in India, in the world, and written constitution protects the religious rights and religions of all religions, multi-religions in this country, particularly Article 25 to 29 of the Constitution of India. 25 to 29, all religions have got equal rights and equality, and they are entitled to move and practice the religious practices. All these things are protected, constitutionally protected, and they have got the both Part 3 and Part 4, irrespective of the religion, all religions. There is no question of minority and majority religion. All religions are equal, and all religion people are equal. They are citizens of this country. The sentiments, their feelings must be protected and give respect to them.
So my last